Hello dear students, I welcome you all to your maths online class. Yes students, today I am ready to teach you question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 3F. Okay, now this particular exercise is related to LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So this is the full form of LCM. Till now you have read about HCF, that is highest common factor, and in this particular exercise you will learn about LCM, that what is LCM all about. So there are total two methods of finding LCM. First one is listing the multiple method and the second one is prime factorization method. So first method you will learn in question number first and the second method you will learn in question number second. So let's begin with question number first, where I am teaching you how to find LCM using listing the multiples. Okay, so let's begin with question number first, part A. Part A is to find the LCM of 6 and 10. So see, like this we will find the LCM of listing the multiple as, first of all you will write multiples of 6. See, we can write the multiple of any given number till either 5 or 10. So first of all we will write the multiples till 5. So the multiples of 6 are, that means multiples means, I told you in previous exercise, multiples means table only. So multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. Many more multiples are there. As I told you, multiples are infinite, they never ends, but we will find till 30 only. Now means till 5 only. Multiples of 10 are, here also we will write the table of 10 till 5 only. So 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50. After writing till 10, we will see that have we got any common multiple here? क्या हमें यहाँ पे कोई common multiple मिला है? So yes, we have got one common multiple, that is 30. If suppose we must have not got any common multiple here, then we will continue writing the multiples of these both till 10 at least. अगर हमें 5 तक कोई कॉमन मल्टीपल नहीं मिला होता तो हम दोनों नंबर के मल्टीपल्स टिल 10 तक लिखते. ओके, सो राइट नाउ 5 तक लिखने पर ही हमें एक नंबर कॉमन मिल गया है, तो हम आगे और मल्टीपल्स नहीं लिखेंगे. देयरफॉर यू विल राइट, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ देयरफॉर, LCM ऑफ 6 and 10 is. So what is the LCM of 6 and 10? The common multiple is 30. So this will be the answer. Okay, so like this you can find the LCM of given numbers by listing the multiples. So that was A part. Now let's move on to B part. In B part it is 9 and 15. So again we will write the multiples of both. So firstly the multiples of 9 till 5. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5s are 45. So let it be till 5 only firstly. Now same way you will write the multiples of 15. So the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. Now after writing the multiples till 5, we will see that we have got any common multiple or not. So yes, here also we have got one common multiple, that is number 45. Okay, so therefore we got our LCM. LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. So this will be our answer. Got it? Now C part. Let's move on to C part. In C part we have to find the LCM of 16 and 24. So here we will write multiples of 16 are So table of 16 till 5, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64 and 16 fives are 80. Similarly, we will write the multiples of 24 till 5 only. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96 and 24 fives are 120. Okay. After writing the multiple till 5, let's find it out we have got any common multiple or not. So yes, we have got common multiple and that is number 48, which is coming in both. So whatever is common is the LCM. Least means सबसे छोटा common multiple, least common multiple. So सबसे छोटा common multiple हमें इसमें मिला है जो दोनों में है, that is 48. So LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. Answer. Okay. Now let's move on to D part. It is 30 and 45. So again you will write multiples of 30 are. So write the multiples of 30. Table of 30 till 5. 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120 and 35s are 150. Then in next step you will write multiples of 45 are. So the multiples of 45 are 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90, 45 threes are 135, 45 fours are 180 and 45 fives are 225. Now after writing the multiples, we will see the common multiple which is coming in both. So the common multiple which is coming in both is number 90. So LCM of 30 and 45 is 90. This is your answer. Okay. So this was your question number first, where it was asked to find the LCM using the listing multiples method. So I hope you must have understood where you have to find out 5 multiples firstly and then the common multiple from them, least common multiple. Now in second question we have to find the LCM but by using prime factorization method. When I was teaching you HCF, at that time I told you how to find the prime factorization. So see, the same way we will find the prime factorization here also, but one difference will be there in finding the answer. See, 12 and 15 are the two numbers whose LCM we have to find out in A part. So first of all, prime factorization of 12, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3 are 6 and 3, 1s are 3. I told you how to find the prime factorization. In the table of 2, 12 comes 6 times, in the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times and in the table of 3, 3 comes 1 time. 15 directly comes in the table of 3. So outside we will write 3 and it comes 5 times and then 5 comes in the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. Then here you will write prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 12. Same way you will write prime factorization of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay. Now when I was explaining you HCF, at that time what I told you that you have to take only the common numbers and then you have to multiply. But in LCM, what is the difference? LCM of 12 and 15. Here we will be finding the LCM of 12 and 15, and to find the LCM of 12 and 15 you have to take firstly the common one. So what are common here? 3 and 3, which is coming in both. Okay, prime factorization, in prime factorization of 12 also number 3 is coming and in prime factorization 15 also number 3 is coming. So what you will do, firstly you will write the common value, that is 3. Then you will write all the uncommon value also. जो common है वो तो आपको लिखना ही है. HCF में हम सिर्फ common लिखते थे, बाकी कुछ नहीं लिखते थे, but LCM में हमें common भी लिखने हैं और uncommon भी लिखने हैं. So the common is 3 and the uncommon is 2 and 2 from 12 and 5 from 15. So we will take these numbers also, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So this will be the answer of LCM using prime factorization method. Okay, pay attention on next part, then it will be more clear. B part, it is given 14 and 28 in B part. So we have to find the prime factorization of 14 and 28 here, okay, one by one. So 14 comes in the table of 2 7 times, and 7 is a prime number, it comes in the table of 7 only one time. 28 comes in the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 14 times. 14 comes in the table of 2 7 times, and 7 is a prime number which comes in the table of 7 only. So like this, firstly you will find the prime factorization, then in the corner you will write prime factorization of 14 is equal to, it is 2 into 7, right? Then you will write prime factorization of other number is 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7, right? Firstly you will write like this, then you will write therefore LCM of 14 and 28. So firstly circle the common one. So what are common? This 2 and this 2 is common, 2 is coming in both. Then number 7 is also coming in both. So firstly write the common values. So what are the common values? 2 and 7 are common. Okay, now write uncommon also. So uncommon is number 2. So this 2 also you will write. Both common and uncommon you have to write here. So now multiply. 2 7s are 14 and 14 2s are 28. So this will be the answer. Okay, next part is C part. It is 13 and 39. So find the prime factorization of 13 and 39. 13 is a prime number, it will come in the table of 13 only, 13 ones are 13. Then 39 comes in the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then 13 is again a prime number, so it will come in the table of 13 only. So you will write again prime factorization of 13 is equal to number 13 only, and the prime factorization of 39 is equal to 3 into 13. So this is the prime factorization of 39, that is 3 into 13. So here you will write 3 into 13. So 1 and 3, 13. Okay, now we will be writing the common. So the common is 13 which is coming in both. Therefore LCM of 13 and 39 is equal to what? Number 13 is coming in both. So first of all you will write number 13, and then it will be multiplied by which number? It will be multiplied by number 3. So 13 into 3 will give you 39. So this will be the answer. Fine students. So like this you have to find the prime factorization method of LCM. So 3 parts I have already explained you by working. Now see part D, it is 42 and 56. So what you will do? Firstly you will find the prime factorization of 42 by the table of 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Then 21 comes in the table of 3. So 3 7s are 21, and 7 is a prime number, it comes in the table of 7 only. So 7 1s are 7. Similarly 56. So 56 comes in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry over 16, 2 8s are 16. Then 28 comes in the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 14 again comes in the table of 2, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So you will write prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7, and the prime factorization of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now the common is 2 and 7. See now, what are the prime factorization? Here the prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7, and the prime factorization of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So the common is 2 which is coming in both, and 7 which is coming in both. So the common are 2 and 7. And what are the uncommon which is not coming common in both? So 2, 2 and 3. So it will be 2, 2 and 3 that you will write. Now you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 into 7 will give you 168. So this will be your answer of D part. Okay, let's move on to E part now. So in E part it is 30 and 45. By the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Means in the table of 2, 30 comes 15 times. Then it will come directly in the table of 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 45 comes in the table of 3, 15 times. So 3 1s are 3, 1 carry over 15, 3 5s are 15. 15 comes in the table of 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So the prime factorization of 30 is, what are the prime factorization of 30? It is 2 into 3 into 5, and the prime factorization of 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Now take the common. So the common is 3 which is coming in both and 5 which is coming in both. So common you will write first 3 and 5 and then write the uncommon 2 and 3. So 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30 and 30 3s are 90. So 90 will be the LCM by prime factorization method. Then in F part it is 12 and 36. So it comes in the table of 2 6 times, then 6 also come in the table of 2 3 times and 3 comes in the table of 3 1 time. 36 comes in the table of 2 18 times, 18 comes in the table of 2 9 times, 9 comes in the table of 3 3 times and 3 comes in the table of 3 1 time. So like this you have to find the prime factorization. Now the prime factorization of 12 is given here, 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 12, and the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now take the common. So number 2 is common, again number 2 is common, then number 3 is common. So the common are 2 into 2 into 3, and then the uncommon is this 3 only. Now multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 into 3 is equals to 36. Okay, so this 36 will be your answer of F part. Fine. Now let's move on to G part, that is 12 and 30. Now to find the factors of 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Then the factors of 30, 2 15 times 30, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Then the prime factorization will be of 12. It is given 2 into 2 into 3, and of 30, 2 into 3 into 5. These are the prime factorization of 12 and 30. So the common is 2 which is coming in both and 3 which is coming in both. So common is 2 into 3 and uncommon is 2 into 5. So multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So 60 will be the answer of G part. Now move on to the last part, that is H part, 24 and 32. Here 24 comes in the table of 2 12 times, 12 again comes in the table of 2 6 times, 6 again comes in the table of 2 3 times, and 3 comes in the table of 3 1 time. Then 32 comes in the table of 2. When you will divide 32 by 2, you will get 16. So 32 comes in the table of 2 16 times, 16 again comes in the table of 2 8 times, 8 again comes in the table of 2 4 times, 4 again comes in the table of 2 2 times, and 2 again comes in the table of 2 1 time. So you have to keep on solving by the table of 2 until and unless you will stop getting that number divisible by 2. Once it is finished by the table of 2, then you move on to the next table, like here. So we know 2 3s are 6. Now 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, no, so we move on to the next table, that is by the table of 3. So here the prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 24, and the prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 is there. Now take common, 2, 2, 2. So 3 times number 2 is coming common in both. So firstly we will write this common 2, then we will write uncommon. So 2 times number 2 and 1 time number 3 is uncommon. So we will write this 2 times number 2 and 1 time number 3. Multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 3s are 96. This will be your answer. Okay, 96 will be your answer of your H part. So like this you have to find out the two method, that is LCM by listing the multiple method. This was the listing the multiple method where I told you to write the multiples till 5 firstly, and then take the common multiple, least common multiple to find the answer of LCM. And the next one is prime factorization method, where firstly you have to find the prime factorization of both the given number, and then you have to write the prime factorization, take the common values and the uncommon also. LCM में आपको common values को भी लेना है नीचे और uncommon को भी लेना है, फिर multiply करना है, and then you will get the answer. Okay, so here I have given you the explanation of both these questions of exercise 3F. So your work is to complete the solution of both these questions in your Maths CW notebook in neat and clean handwriting. And here, after this exercise 3F, your chapter is over. So we have finished our chapter number 3, factors and multiples. Fine, students. So that's all for today. Meet you all in next online class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you, students.